Wednesday, June 26, 2024. Focus. Beware of false prophets who come to you in sheep's clothing, but inwardly are ravenous wolves. Online cheating is becoming more sophisticated with every advance in technology. Scammers easily persuade gullible people to share personal data for some money promised in their accounts, resulting in financial frauds. In the spiritual arena too, people get lured to leave the church or the faith. In today's gospel, Jesus warns his disciples through an illustration of sheep and wolves. He says that the type of person can be recognized through their actions, not their words. He uses tree as an example. A bad tree cannot produce good fruit, and a good tree cannot produce bad fruit. We too encounter various people. Some try and lure us into addictions like drink, drugs, or smoking to cure all sorts of woes and worries. These offer only temporary gratification, whereas some good people encourage us to heal spiritually and emotionally through counseling, prayer, and good deeds that lead to lasting peace. It is up to us to decide between these options. The ultimate good is praying to Jesus to grant us the wisdom to choose the right path. We must always ask the Lord, "Give me understanding that I may keep your law and observe it with my whole heart." Fruit. With God's wisdom, I will be alert to people and situations that may trap me into wrongdoing. He will help me to discern correctly.